This is the Valdotain tresse, or VT, or French prusik. It's a very fast and easy to advance friction hitch, mainly used for climbing, but you can use it in rigging to attach a rope, attach an additional rope onto a preloaded rigging line. As you can see, it's going to slide up very easily and then under load bind straight away. And this particular one, because I've used it with a very short prusik hitch, piece of hitch cord, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 wraps and only 1, 2 crossovers. With a longer or skinnier hitch cord, you might put additional crossovers there. So I'll swap out for a different hitch cord, just tie it a different way onto a different pulley. So to tie it, we're just doing 1, 2, 3, 4 turns around the rope. And now I'm going to take, if this is the top of the rope and this is the bottom, so this is the up part of the rope, I'm going to take the higher part of my hitch cord and go underneath the bottom part. You can see I'm just trying to make sure that these two arms are roughly the same length here. So I need a little bit more slack on the top part. So it's gone, top part's gone under the bottom part, and then they cross again on the opposite side of the rope. And this time, whichever part went under goes on top. So that's 2 crosses, and I think I can probably get 1 more cross in. So this, again, this part was on top last time, it now goes underneath, and that's going to go on top. And let's see, I'll just try and see if that works, if I've got enough. And whenever you're using one of these knots, you really need to make sure that the combination of the rope, the rope material, the hitch material, the rope diameter, the hitch diameter, the number of wraps, the number of crosses, the length of the hitch cord, your weight, all of those things have got to work together to give you the correct function. So I'm just going to attach a pulley to this to advance it, and this time I'm going to put both eyes of the hitch cord within the 2 parts of the pulley, capture that. And just see if this is working properly. So that binds up very nicely, and I'll just see if it advances. It's a bit stiff, but it advances nicely enough, and then binds straight away when I let go. So that seems to be functioning, that particular combination of wraps and crossovers. I could, as you saw, I tied it previously with a thicker hitch cord where I used fewer wraps, the same number of wraps but fewer crossovers. That also worked well. So it's a question of assembling your hitch, seeing if it works, seeing if you get that function. It wants to grab instantly as soon as you put your weight onto it without you needing to dress it with your fingers. So if it's sliding down the rope and you have to use your fingers to make it grab, you definitely want to retie that. So I'll try it again with my fatter hitch cord. Cross over there, 1 more, and I'll go back to using the hitch climber pulley. So 1, 2, 3, 4 wraps, 1, 2 crossovers, slides, bind straight away. So that's a Valdotain tresse, VT, or often called a French prusik.